how to redraw your avatar on Roblox mobile. So what we want to do is actually close out of the Roblox application and open up Safari. Here we will go to roblox.com and we want to select continue in browser. We don't want to select continue in app, instead we will select continue in browser. Now here what we have to do is click on the three lines in the top left corner and we will go into avatar. Now here you will see an option to open the Roblox app, but what we want to do is we want to click on the two A letters and we will request desktop view. So as you can see, I just clicked on here and I requested desktop view, and now if I scroll down you will see this option, avatar isn't loading properly, and we can click on redraw and this is going to redraw our avatar on Roblox. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub if it did, and I'll see you next time.